Got our winch ready to go. Let's break these towers. Oh no! The winch is lifted off the ground. Hello and welcome to the next Fieldhouse Challenge. This time you've got to build a 200-gram wooden tower as strong as possible because we're going to break it unless it's the strongest one. So the tower can only be made out of natural wood, glue, PLO plastic, cardboard and a few other fun ingredients you'll find on the poster. You also have to be able to place a M20 washer on top of your tower, as this is where we're going to pull it from and eventually break it. Your tower also needs two 5mm holes on the back stand. This will allow us to bolt it down to the table so that it doesn't tip over. The tower width must be less than 150mm. The tower length cannot be more than 200mm or up to 250mm for the fixing points. These fixing points must also be less than 20mm off the table. The tower must be taller than 250mm. It must also be shorter than 600mm. The washer must also stay within these constraints in order to win the competition. All towers will be weighed without the washer before the competition, and these must weigh less than 200 grams. Your tower will be pushed down onto the starting pins, and a washer and a nut will be placed on top of the two M5 bolts to secure it down. Your washer will be placed on top of your tower and pushed down to your marked position. Your tower is now set, and the twist, it will be up against another tower. That's right, this is a knockout competition where there'll be one champion at the end. So we have the two towers here with connection on the two chains, and this will be funneled down through a central point, and below this we've got a crane scale so we know what force there is, and below that we have a big old winch. So you'll notice that the chain on the right hand side is longer than the chain on the left hand side, and this depends on the connection point. So the way we'll work this out is the height of your washer above the ground. This will be the same length of chain on your side of the tower. This difference in chain length means that the taller tower will be taking less of the load and the shorter tower will be taking more of the load. So it's up to you how tall you build your tower. So how do you win the competition? Well, you want your towers to stay stiff and the other one to deform. So we've got two lasers, one on either side. At the moment, they're crossing over each other. So we'll know when a tower wins when one of the lasers touches the inside face of the center point. So here we go. The towers are set up. I'm going to turn on the winch and we're going to see which one breaks first. It's time to crush some towers. You can see the lasers starting to move there. Oh. Whoa! Don't know what force we got up to there, but as you can see, there was a knot in this wood and this tower has snapped and obviously lost. So obviously this tower would now go through to the next round. So as I said, it will be a pyramid style head-to-head knockout competition like the tug of war challenge. So there will be a bit of luck involved with that, but we should get the strongest tower winning hopefully. So yeah, get building, have a look at the poster for the final descriptions and details. But yeah, basically a 200-gram strongest tower competition. Good luck.